This is a status file for ABAQUS engineering simulations. It's a plain text log that tells you if the simulation crashed or finished. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read the log. Here's a professional insight. For those STA files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. An STA file serves dual purposes, representing both ABAQUS simulation data and statistical analysis results. In ABAQUS, it stores simulation output, including stress, strain, and displacement data. For statistical analysis, it holds data sets and analysis results from various statistical software packages, facilitating data interpretation and reporting. STA files from ABAQUS contain simulation results organized in a structured format, allowing for post-processing and visualization. Statistical STA files adhere to specific formats, dictated by the analysis software, including data tables, statistical summaries, and graphical representations. Proper documentation is crucial for understanding the data's context. To gain full access to STA, the application needed is ABAQUS software suite from Dassault Systems. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows cannot interpret all embedded data elements, so the right application is needed for full access. Your first test is essential. Right-click the STA file and select Open With. Use ABAQUS software suite first if it is on your system. If not, select another option. We must find the program that handles the format correctly. When a STA file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection, let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, use Statistica. Open the file using Statistica software, the required proprietary application for the statistical data. Next, use conversion access. If Statistica is unavailable, try accessing the data through a programming language interface, e.g. R package, RCOM, or Python, that integrates with Statistica. Finally, export to universal format. Open the file in Statistica and export the data to a universal statistical format, like .csv or .dta stata. When every program on your system rejects your STA file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same 3-letter label for different things. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The core value of FileMagick is its resilience. It's built to read the raw contents of an STA file instantly, ignoring any misleading or incorrect extension. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution. Stay persistent as files can be tricky, but solvable.